Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we now go to the Netherlands. Guys, I came on first parking in Netherlands and we must to change country in Tahoe. And here we must to find Netherlands. Yep. Okay, and we continue driving. Let's go, continue working. We must unload our trailer in the Netherlands empty metal boxes. I hope loading wheel is too in the Netherlands. And after unloading we go to Belgium for loading. And with that cargo we go to England. It's a real interesting trip from Germany, Netherlands, Belgium and England. I take this truck in Germany and we have unloading in Netherlands and loading in Belgium. In the interesting trucking life, you all time changing countries and it's really nice. It's really nice. It's in one country one language, in other country other language, and sometimes it's so strange and you can't understand a lot. I working here 5 years and I don't understand a lot of different things, but it's interesting. It's too interesting. You all time try understanding new things, new country, new language. It's really interesting, but it's difficult. It's difficult. You need to spend a lot of energy for learning every time new things. Every time everything is interesting for you and you need to try learn every language, every new cultures, every new rules. In Europe a lot very often changing different rules, all year updating rules really, and you must to know all rules. If you don't will know rules, you just will pay. You just will pay pay for your mistakes, and you must to know everything. Sometimes we will discussing about it new rules what I will know. For example, every country have different payment about road. You need to pay for road in other country with different methods. For example, in Germany, like now, where I now, we pay with boxes. I have here. I have here boxes toll collect, and I pay for that boxes. In Belgium I have other boxes on my dashboard. It's UTA1. With these boxes I can pay in Belgium, French and Poland. And I have boxes for Czech Republic. It's Meto. And in Netherlands I will buy every day vignette on a website. Like today, I know I will go in Netherlands today, and before arriving in that country, before arriving in Netherlands, I bought vignette. It's maybe when you begin this job, it's can seem difficult, but when you will working here sometimes, and you will do it automatically. And also in England we buy vignette on the website. In this video I will try showing it. For example, first it's toll collect. Here, green lights. It's show for us everything okay. For example, UTA1 is Belgium and Poland. With these boxes we pay in Belgium and Poland, and now you can see red line. It's bad because we now in Germany. When we come in Belgium, that red line must change on green lights. If it's not changing, we must do checking what happened with these boxes. Okay, let's go to our unloading. See you on the unloading. Okay guys, I came in city Sittard, it's Netherlands. Okay guys, we must quickly unload these empty boxes and go to Belgium for loading. Guys, now my trailer is empty, and for loading place we must drive it 150 kilometers, 2 driver hours. Let's go! Hey guys, our bay number 2, and here little bit rain. Okay, bay number 2 is done. Okay guys, my trailer is full and now I want to show how I cook food. Look. This is my kitchen, just looks. And today I try to cook potatoes with meat, and it must be tasty, I hope. Just water, meat and potatoes. Okay, and the carrot. I hope it will tasty. We'll continue cooking. Little bit later I show what I make.